So, you want to build a website, but you don't need to be a coding genius. In 2025, anyone can do it. All you need is an idea and a bit of time. This guide will walk you through the basics, step by step. No jargon, just clear advice. Think of a website as your digital home. A collection of pages, all connected, that anyone can visit. Inside, you can share your blog, showcase your work, or even sell products. It's your personal space online, open to the world 24/7. Why build one? Maybe you want to show off your cakes, create an online resume, or publish your stories. A website gives you a professional look, a global audience, and a creative outlet. Best of all, you control everything. No algorithms, no limits. Your website is your voice, your brand, your business. Unlike social media, you set the rules and design. It's a direct line between you and your audience. In a world where everything feels temporary, your website is something you can build to last. It's your permanent spot on the web, a project that grows with you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. You don't need to be an expert, just motivated. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to launch your own site. Let's make your idea real. First, define your idea. What's your website about? Be specific, don't just say sports. Maybe it's classic basketball sneaker reviews or surfing after 40. Start with what you're passionate about or know well. Next, pick your platform. Forget coding, use a website builder. Website builders like Squarespace, Wix, and Weebly make it easy with drag-and-drop tools. Squarespace is great for beautiful, clean designs. Wix offers creative freedom. WordPress is powerful but more complex. For beginners, Squarespace or Wix is the simplest path. Try free trials, see which feels right for you, don't overthink it. All these platforms can help you build a great site. Choose the one you're comfortable with. You'll be spending time there. The right platform makes building fun, not frustrating. Once you've picked, you're ready for the next step. Your idea and platform are your foundation. Let's move on to making it real. Your website needs an address, a domain name. Pick something short, memorable, and related to your topic. Avoid confusing names, keep it professional and clear. Most builders help you register a domain, often free for the first year. If your first choice is taken, get creative. Add a word or try a different extension. For portfolios, using your name works well. Once you have your domain, it's time to design. Start with a template. Builders offer plenty for blogs, stores, portfolios, and more. Choose one that matches your style, minimal, modern, colorful, or bold. Customize it. Change colors, upload your logo, pick fonts, and rearrange sections. Keep it simple and clean. Make text easy to read and use high-quality images. Good design helps visitors find what they need. Don't overcomplicate, focus on clarity and usability. Play with the settings until it feels right. Your site's look is your first impression, make it count. Now, let's get your content ready. Time to add your content, the heart of your website. Start with Essentials Home, About, and Contact pages. If you have a blog, write your first posts. For portfolios, upload your best work. Don't stress about perfection, just get the basics in place. Before publishing, check every link, proofread, and view your site on your phone. Ask a friend for feedback. A fresh perspective helps. When you're ready, hit publish. Your site is live. Take a moment to appreciate what you've built. Remember, a website is never finished. Update and improve over time. Add new posts, update your portfolio, or try new features. Building a website is a journey, not a sprint. The tools are easier than ever, so start building. If this guide helped, subscribe to Enozonfi Infozone, share with a friend, and hit that thumbs up. Turn on notifications for more tips. Peace.